Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about Canara Robeco Emerging Equities Direct Growth Plan. It is a large and mid-cap fund, and it has given good returns in this market. Current crisis also going on in market. Still it has given good return, and it is having good rating also from CRISIL. We will be reviewing this fund and giving you advice on how to invest in this fund. So request you to watch till the full video and take your own decision based on whatever information you have got. I would recommend you analyze whatever given in this video as well as do your own analysis before doing any investment decision. Let's go to the video. The fund is a large and mid-cap fund, and the NAV as on 10th July 2020 is 98.740. If you can see the CRISIL rating, it's having 4 star, which is a good sign. And currently the NAV is trading in between the 52-week high and low. And if you can see the returns are having for 5 years 9.8% return the fund has given, plus the plus return, and for 3 years 3.2%, 2 years 0.2%, 1 year 0.7%, and for 6 months minus 6.5%, and for 3 months plus 14.8%, and for 1 month 5.8%. Overall the performance is good, and there was no major negative returns provided by this fund, considering the volatility in the market, and the market is down from its peak. So considering that, the fund is giving good return. Apart from other funds are not giving that much return, but this fund is giving good return at this current point. But before investing, you need to consider that there is a rally after the March downfall occurred in the stock market, but this rally is not sustainable considering the fundamentals are not very weak in Indian stock market. So considering that fact, you need to be very cautious while you are investing at this stage. I would recommend you for starting an SIP with a small amount, and if there is a big fall in the market, you can do additional investment. Otherwise, you can divide your overall investable amount into 5 or 6 parts. Then one part you can invest now, and then if there is any further fall, you can invest the remaining amount. Do not invest all your amount right now in the stock market in any fund, because there could be a major fall coming, and hopefully there will be a recovery, but it's better you save your whatever amount you have rather than getting loss. So you need to be careful about that. Otherwise, the fund is very good for SIP, and till the market reach its previous level high of 12,000 levels, you can invest through SIP. After that, I would recommend you hold for this fund. We will go to the details of this fund. If you can see the information about this fund category is large and mid cap fund category, and the fund family is promoted by this Canara Robeco mutual fund. It's an open-ended fund and growth type, and the minimum invest, if you are lump sum doing investment, 5,000 is the minimum investment, and fund manager is Miyush Gandhi. And we'll check the portfolio of this fund. The major investment is done in Reliance Industries, and then HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Bharti Airtel. All those are good shares only. And if you can see the sector wise allocation, banking and finance sector is having 32.28% allocation by this fund, and engineering also good, and technology wise also good allocation is there. The major concern you need to understand that banking and finance sector may face some pressure in coming days due to the economic crisis which is due to coronavirus. So you need to be aware of this risk, and there could be some underperformance by this fund in coming days. So you need to be very prepared for that. Apart from that, over the long term benefits like 3 years and 4 years, this fund will be giving good return through SIP as well as your lump sum amount. But do not invest all of your lump sum amount at this point, because there is a rally happened in the stock market, but that rally cannot be sustained unless the fundamentals are improved. So you need to be very careful, otherwise the fund is very good, and the rating itself shows that there is a confidence by CRISIL on this fund, and the fund overall performance also very good. You can go for investment this fund through SIP, as well as by part your investor sum amount can be invested. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.